Well, back out in the garage again today, and not sure quite what I'll work on. Have not been out here since the last video I made. Uh, we'll see. Maybe I'll go in and get some water, and we'll clean our back hatch off. Maybe get a little brush. We can get up under there, clean it up good. That'd be a good thing to work on today, maybe. It's kind of nice out. It's about, say it's got to be approaching 50 degrees here today. And, like to get out in the garage a little bit with this weather. So, and maybe I'll do some cleaning. I had a lot of this cleaned up before, and it's always my issue. As soon as I get something cleaned up, more things come in and clutter up my spot. You can see my workbench, which I just built not that many months ago, is all full of crap. The other thing I'd like to work on today is maybe we can clean off the seats for the white Excursion and get those back installed in the Excursion. So that would be a nice thing to accomplish as well. And then here's another project I was kind of working on. Kind of tempted to see if I can polish these T-tops. They, if you look at them, they get all crazed and splotchety looking. That was before I sanded, but you can still kind of see the splotchies. So I was wondering if you could polish them up, sand them down, polish them up. That's maybe a project we'll do in the future, maybe this coming spring. So, but anyway, I'm thinking today we're gonna wipe some seats down, put them in, then maybe clean the back hatch of the Trans Am. So we'll let you know, try to bring you along for the ride. Out here in the pole barn, we grabbed us a bucket of water and a scrubby, and it's warm so we're not freezing, and put a little bit of dish soap in it. I was out here earlier and was gonna do this, but I got a little bit sidetracked with some other sorting of bolting and stuff like that. It's kind of hard not to get sidetracked in this messy barn, but anyway, let's go see how this all cleans up. Yeah, it looks like it's cleaning up pretty good. I've got lucky enough to have a cameraman today, which isn't usually the case, but my helper and my youngest son, he's going to be a YouTuber or a filmographer someday or something maybe. He's in middle school right now, so he's got a ways to go yet. Oh boy, there's an X scratch down there. Look at that little X. Huh. You know what we should have brought out here is a towel to dry it all off. And I think we're probably gonna have to, I was excited it wasn't really rusty, but I am seeing a little bit of rust now. We'll probably have to take care of that. Shouldn't be too big of a deal.
I have also heard though that towels sometimes make scratches.
Alright, we're gonna pause the video and we're gonna grab us a towel so we can wipe it down. Alright, we got us a little bit of small towel, microfiber towel. Just gonna wipe her down. If it was warmer out, we'd be outside, we could just kind of rinse it off, but we're in the pole barn, so we're just gonna wipe it down. Wipe it down. And we can now see a little bit of damage under where the wing was. Probably have to maybe sand those down and touch those up a little bit. But there we go. There's our rear hatch cleaned off, and I think we can see. Let's see if we can get this to focus. There we go. A little bit of scratch there, and some rust. And if we come around, a little small spot of rust there, and some blistered up paint. It's a little bit worse on this side. It's not as bad as some I've seen, but as long as we're in here, we'll maybe clean those up and clean them up and treat them with something so they're not rusting anymore. So anyway, that's what we've done today. We got most of our dirt off from under our lip, so it's looking pretty good. We'll keep you guys filled up, but that's probably about all we're going to do for today. And wasn't much on this one, but we got some other work in the barn to work on. So we'll catch you later. Have a nice week. Bye. Special thanks to my cameraman for helping me out today.